Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain about inclination of a line, slope or gradient of a line. First of all, define inclination of a line. The inclination of a line is the angle theta which the part of the line above the x-axis with the positive direction of the x-axis measured in anticlockwise direction. Here this is Cartesian plane in which x dash or x-axis and y-axis are mutually perpendicular. Here one line is AB, which is neither parallel to x-axis nor it is perpendicular to x-axis. In this way, it is neither horizontal nor vertical. And here in this direction, when we measure it in this direction is anti-clockwise and above the x-axis, then this angle formed between this line and x-axis above the x-axis and in anti-clockwise direction, this angle is called inclination of this line AB. Similarly, here x dash and y dash are two axes in which AB is a line which is neither vertical nor perpendicular. When we measure its angle in anti-clockwise direction like this above x-axis and in anti-clockwise direction in positive direction, then this angle is called inclination of this line AB. When this line is parallel to x-axis, then its inclination is 0 degree, or even inclination of this x-axis is 0 degree. Its inclination is 0 degree. When this line is parallel to this y-axis. This line is perpendicular to this x-axis. There is 90-degree angle. So, inclination of this line, which is parallel to y dash or y-axis, is 90 degree. Here theta is equal to 90 degree. Even inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. Similarly, inclination of x-axis is 0 degree. Now, slope or gradient of a line. If theta is the inclination of a non-vertical line, then m is equal to tan theta is called the slope of the line. This is called the slope of this line. If this angle is 45 degree, suppose this theta is equal to 45 degree, when theta is equal to 45 degree, then its slope or gradient, that is m. Slope or gradient m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. Finally, it is 1. As value of tan 45 degree is 1. So, gradient or slope of this line is 1. When this angle is 150 degree, when inclination angle is theta is 150 degree, then value of tan theta, that is tan 150 degree, it will be calculated as tan 180 degree minus 30 degree, tan 180 degree minus 30 degree, that is minus tan 30 degree, and value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So finally its value will be minus 1 by root 3. This is slope or gradient of a line. When a line is parallel to y-axis or perpendicular on x-axis, then here is angle 90 degree, then its gradient or slope tan 90 degree. Then tan 90 degree, this is not defined, as we can't find its value. This is not defined. So gradient or slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis, this its slope is not defined, and value of inclination of a line is either equal to 0 degree. Its example is x-axis, its inclination is 0 degree, or any line which is parallel to x-axis, its inclination will be 0 degree. Theta, value of inclination will be either equal to 0 degree, or this theta will be less than 180 degree. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.